Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Silverado Accessories is probably one of the most effective ways to personalize and enhance your classic 1998 Chevy Silverado 1500. This video dives into a curated selection of accessories designed to boost your truck's functionality, comfort, and overall aesthetic appeal. Whether you're looking to improve its work capabilities, prepare for off-road adventures, or simply give it a fresh look, we've got you covered. Number 5. YIZ Dash Cover for Chevy Silverado GMC Sierra. This dash cover is designed to fit your vehicle perfectly. It's made to protect your dashboard from sun damage and wear and tear, keeping it looking new. This cover fits various models from 1997 to 2000, including Chevy Silverado, GMC Sierra, Tahoe, Yukon, and more. Make sure to check the fitment tool to ensure it's compatible with your specific vehicle. The cover is easy to install with the included Velcro fasteners and detailed instructions. You can quickly and securely attach it to your dashboard without any hassle. The dash cover is designed for left-hand driving vehicles. It features pre-cut defrost vents and allows sound to pass through the breathable material without distortion. If you have any questions or concerns after your purchase, please contact us through your order. We are committed to resolving any issues promptly and efficiently. What we like. This dash cover is custom fit for your Silverado, ensuring a perfect match. It protects your dashboard from sun damage and cracking, extending its life. Installation is a breeze with the included Velcro fasteners. If you want to keep your classic truck's interior looking its best, you should consider this. What people say. Fits perfectly on my 2002 Avalanche. Easy to install and looks great. This fits my truck dashboard perfectly. Great for protecting my dashboard from the hot sun. Number 4. D-Lumina LED door lights for Chevy Silverado GMC. Introducing the D-Lumina LED door lights. These lights are designed to enhance your vehicle's interior lighting, making it safer and more stylish. These lights fit a wide range of Chevy, GMC, Cadillac, and Hummer models. Check the fitment list to see if it's compatible with your vehicle. The D-Lumina LED lights are significantly brighter than the original lights. They provide enhanced visibility and safety, especially at night. Made with durable PC ABS plastic and featuring a waterproof design, this light is built to last. The lights are also DOT certified, ensuring quality and reliability. Installation is a breeze with the plug-and-play design. Simply replace your old lights with these new ones in minutes, without any modifications. The package includes a pair of lights, ready to install. Plus, you get lifetime support to ensure your satisfaction. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. What we like. These LED door lights are significantly brighter than stock, improving visibility and safety. They're a direct replacement, making installation quick and easy. Built with high-quality materials, they're designed to last. If you are looking for an upgrade that enhances both style and safety, you should consider these lights. What people say. Quick and easy replacement for the front door courtesy lights in my 2004 Yukon XL. Replacing the standard incandescent lights with LED units was an awesome upgrade that took all of about 5 minutes for both doors. Easy to disconnect old units and reconnect new units with no special tools required, just a small straight blade screwdriver. These lights include LEDs for the red portion, equally, the white portion includes multiple LEDs. They light up at night incredibly well, and even in bright sunlight, with the doors open, these still light up. Works great, installation is very easy, lighting is rather strong, pay attention to the design is different from right and left, in the carton comes only 2, so I bought 2 cartons to cover 4 doors. Number 3. ECOTRIC Dash Panel Kit for GMC Truck SUV. This dash panel kit is designed to perfectly match the factory dash panel of your vehicle. It's compatible with various models from Cadillac, Chevrolet, and GMC. It ensures a seamless integration. This kit fits a range of models from 1995 to 2002. It includes models like the Cadillac Escalade, Chevrolet CK Pickup, and GMC Sierra. Check the list to see if it fits your car. The kit includes everything you need for installation: a radio housing trim plate, radio housing brackets, and panel clips. You will get all the necessary mounting hardware. Made from high-quality, durable ABS plastic, this dash panel is built to last. It comes in black, matching your car's interior. It's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. The wiring harness is pre-stripped, making installation quick and easy. However, please note that it is not compatible with premium JBL, Bose, or amplified sound systems. It's a straightforward upgrade. What we like. This dash panel kit allows you to install a double DAN radio in your truck. It's designed to match the factory dash and includes all necessary mounting hardware. Made from durable ABS plastic, it's built to last. If you want to upgrade your truck's audio system, this is a great choice. What people say. It is very well made and looks like a factor part. It shipped 5 days after I ordered it. The box includes the dash trim and hardware, plus lots of other useful stuff like the brackets to hold your stereo in place, screws, a wire harness, and other useful stuff. I removed it and used the replacement tray that came with the dash trim and it fits much better now. Number 2. LED license plate lights for Chevy GMC trucks. Tired of dim license plate lights? These LED lights are the perfect solution. They provide a bright, clear illumination, making sure your license plate is easily seen. Designed to fit a wide range of Chevy and GMC trucks and SUVs from 1988 to 2000. This includes models like the Silverado, Sierra, Tahoe, and Yukon. It's a direct replacement, ensuring a perfect fit. Featuring 12 high-brightness LEDs with a 6000K white output. This significantly improves visibility at the rear of your vehicle. This ensures that it is easily seen. Made with durable ABS PC housing and lens, these lights are built to last. The waterproof design and energy-saving features mean a longer lifespan. You can count on it for years to come. Installation is a breeze with a simple plug-and-play design. There's no need for modifications or drilling. Just replace your old lights with these new ones. Each package includes 2 LED license plate lights. It also comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. What we like. These LED license plate lights provide a bright, 6000K white light, enhancing visibility. They're a simple plug-and-play installation, with no modifications needed. The waterproof design ensures they'll withstand the elements. If you like a clean, modern look and improved visibility, you should consider these lights. What people say. They are very bright, and they connect easily. Hands down, they are super bright and look good with my chrome bumper. Had them for over a year and work good. Light is bright. Number 1. Hoypeyfiy car door trim panel retainer clips. These clips are designed as a direct replacement for various GMC and Chevrolet truck models. They are also compatible with several other vehicles. Make sure to check the part number to ensure a perfect fit. The clips replace part number 15960-325. These are suitable replacements for Cadillac Escalade, GMC C1500, and C2500 models. Please confirm compatibility before purchasing. Each clip has a head diameter of 9/16 inches and a stem length of 5/8 inches. They fit into a 1/4-inch hole. These dimensions ensure a secure and reliable hold. These clips can be used for bumpers, door trims, and fender panels. They are suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, and caravans. It's a versatile solution for various automotive needs. Made from high-quality plastic, these clips are built to last. They are stable and won't easily break during use. A package of 100 pieces meets your daily needs. What we like. These retainer clips are made of durable nylon, ensuring a long lifespan. They're designed for a wide range of applications, from door panels to bumpers. Installation is straightforward, making them a convenient choice. If you have broken clips or need replacements, you should consider these. What people say. The headlights are a direct fit and look great. The lights are very bright and look great. The lights are a great upgrade. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.